Let's see this question. For each of the cases below, I've got only one case here. Find A and explain the result using a diagram. So our first task is to get the value of A, this coordinate, and after that explain the result using a diagram. So when you have a question wherein you have 2 points and you have the distance between the 2 points, then it is a question of coordinate geometry, and it is a question wherein you can use the distance formula which you have been learning all this while, which is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We must figure out the coordinates first. So I'm going to take the first one as x1 y1, and I'll take the second one as x2 y2. And in the formula where you see d or the distance, I will plug in 4 units there because that is the distance between these 2 points. So let's do it. D is equal to square root of x2 is a, so a minus 2 whole square plus y2. y2 is minus 1 minus 3 whole square. I plugged in the information. Now I'll just replace this d with 4 because that's given to us. And I'll simplify what I see inside the square root. This will be a minus 2 whole square. And when I solve this, I will get minus 4 whole square. And as I square it, this will become positive and this will become 16. So let me write one more step quickly. This will be a minus 2 whole square plus 16 and 4. Now, what is the method of removing square root? I want to get rid of this square root. So squaring on both sides, I want to get rid of this square root for me to solve this question further. So squaring on both sides, I will get 4 square is equal to, I'm just going to square both sides. So when you square the right hand side of our equation, this square root will disappear because when you square a square root, it will disappear. So this will be 16 is equal to a minus 2 whole square plus 16. The root is gone. And when you simplify it further, you will shift the 16 on this side. 16 minus 16 will give you 0. And that is equal to a minus 2 whole square. I'll write this the other way around. I will write it as a minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Instead of writing 0 is equal to a minus 2 whole square. Once again. So I just want you to be super clear with the concept. To solve this question, you need to understand what is the meaning of root. Meaning of root is power half. Do you agree? Suppose I have square root of x. It also means x power half. Right? So when you square root of anything, you will get x power half, which is for this, what you see inside, to the power 2, which is this 2. So that half is coming into picture because of the root. Now when you solve this, why does the root disappear? because this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. It is coming from your knowledge of exponents. That is why root x whole square will be x. I use this concept when I was solving the right hand side of this question here. Now this will be 4 square. So this is like I've just shown you how from where it is coming. It is just the concept. It is not a part of the question and it is just a concept for you. So this will be 4 square is equal to, now I squared that root, so the root is gone. I will have a minus 2 whole square plus 16. So keeping all the numbers on the same side and variables on the other side. I shifted this 16 on the other side, so 4 square gives me 16 and this 16 comes here, so minus 16, a minus 2 whole square. I write this the other way around, 16 minus 16 gives me 0, so a minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. This will be a minus 2 times a minus 2 is equal to 0. So I have got a is equal to 2. I have got only one value of a. Now we'll show it pictorially. They want a diagram. The question is saying explain the result using a diagram. Moving further, I'll show you the diagram for this. For this, I will make use of a grid. Now I have a grid here, you can see on the board. A minus 1. For a, I already got the value, so it is 2 minus 1. And it is the distance between these 2 points is 4 units. I'll try to draw now axis here on my board. I've drawn the y-axis, now I'm drawing the x-axis. And I'll get a few points on these axes. So this is 1, 2, 3, and here I have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. This is 1, 2, and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So now I'll get my points here. My first point is P23. This is 2 and this is 3. This is P23. Next point is Q2 minus 1. We found this value of A, so I just put it there. So Q is 2 minus 1, which is here. I have these 2 points and I have the distance between these 2 points, which is this, and it is 4 units. So you can see the result is shown with the help of a diagram. I have drawn the axis roughly on this grid of mine. I have plotted the point P23 and Q2 minus 1, and the distance between these points is 4 units. You can see this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the pictorial representation of the result.